Welcome back to Infinity Beyond, where each night we drift deeper into the wonders of the universe. Tonight, we'll follow one of the most mysterious and ancient travelers of our solar system, comets. They blaze across the sky like cosmic fireworks, brief, beautiful, and fleeting. But behind their shimmering tails lies a story billions of years in the making. So let's begin with ice. Long ago, in the cold outskirts of the early solar system, far beyond the planets we know, tiny worlds were forming. Not rocky like Earth or Mars, nor gaseous like Jupiter. These were icy bodies, frozen mixtures of water, methane, ammonia, and dust. Untouched, preserved, suspended in the deep freeze of space. These are comets, and they are among the oldest, most unchanged objects in the solar system. Time capsules from its earliest days. Most comets live in distant regions like the Kuiper Belt or the Oort cloud, far beyond Neptune. They orbit the Sun in huge elliptical paths, sometimes taking thousands or even millions of years to complete a single trip. But when they do venture inward, they awaken. As a comet approaches the Sun, it heats up. The ices begin to sublimate, turning directly from solid to gas. This creates a glowing coma, a thin atmosphere around the nucleus. Solar wind then blows this gas and dust into a spectacular tail which can stretch millions of kilometers across space. And yet the tail doesn't follow behind the comet like smoke from a train. It always points away from the Sun, pushed by solar radiation. Even if the comet is flying away from the Sun, its tail still streams ahead, defying what we might expect. It's a reminder, in space, things often behave beautifully and unexpectedly. Many cultures saw comets as omens, harbingers of change or chaos. But today, we see them differently, as messengers. Comets contain pristine material from the solar system's birth. By studying them, we unlock secrets about how planets formed, where Earth got its water, and even how life's building blocks may have arrived here. In 2014, the European Space Agency's Rosetta mission achieved the incredible. It sent a lander, Philae, to touch down on a comet named 67P. For the first time, humanity stood upon a frozen relic from 4.5 billion years ago. The lander's journey was not perfect. It bounced, then settled in shadow. But even so, it sent back valuable data. We learned that comets are more complex than we imagined. Layers of ice, organic compounds, caverns, dust storms, silence. The more we explore them, the more they reveal. Some comets have orbits that bring them back regularly, like Halley's Comet, which returns every 76 years. It last visited in 1986 and will return in 2061. Generations mark time by its passing. Poets write of its glow. Children watch in awe. It is both science and story. Other comets are visitors from the deep. They appear once and are never seen again, flung by gravitational nudges or born from interstellar space. One such traveler, Oumuamua, passed through our solar system in 2017. It wasn't a typical comet. It had no tail, no visible coma, and was shaped more like a pancake or a cigar. Scientists still debate what it was. A fragment of a shattered world? An interstellar iceberg? Some even asked, could it be artificial? We may never know, but the mystery itself is a gift. Because comets, in their quiet beauty, remind us that the universe is still full of questions. Tonight, as you prepare to sleep, imagine standing on the surface of a comet. Beneath you, dark rock and ancient ice. Around you, silence deeper than any on Earth. Above you, the sun, distant but growing brighter. You are moving, fast, faster than sound, faster than a bullet. Yet you feel nothing. The coma begins to form. The tail stretches behind you. You are now a beacon in the sky, a light traveling between worlds. And you carry a message. that even the smallest, coldest object can glow with purpose when touched by the light. Sleep well, traveler. The stars are still watching.